Welcome. Today we would be solving a lead code problem, valid palindrome. So it is one of the easiest problem for palindrome topic, but it is important also for coding interviews. So we'll go through the problem statement and try to solve it. So we would be given a string. We have to check whether it's a valid palindrome or not. So the important thing to keep in mind here is we have to ignore the alphanumeric characters. So this problem we can solve with multiple approaches, but solving it through two pointer approach would be one of the efficient solution. So let's look into that. So we'll take two pointer int low that will point to the start of index, and we'll take a high that would be length -1. We'll write the base structure while low is less than high. So what we will do at low pointer and at high pointer, we'll compare two strings whether they are equal or not, plus whether they are a valid alphanumeric string or not. So to validate whether it's correct alphanumeric or not, we'll create a method is valid. Here we'll pass character C. We can use this character class itself. If it is a letter or character is digit, so we will allow only these two things and we will return this. Now here we have to check if is valid s dot char at low. My low is also valid, and my high is also valid, and I have to check character to string character to lowercase. The reason I am keeping it as lowercase, so to avoid this condition. So ideally these are equal, but if I don't do lowercase, then they won't be equal. Check to lowercase, and I have already validated that it's a valid. Then I will simply do s dot char at low. Not if s dot char at low is not equals to character dot to lowercase dot char at high. So for readability I'll move it here. So what it is doing, we are first checking whether the character at the lowest place is valid or not, and the character at highest place is valid or not. If both of them are valid, then I am checking whether two strings are two character at high and low are equal or not. If they are not equal, then I am returning false. Before returning false, here I will increment the low plus plus. So for example, they are equal, right? So I have to move forward, right? So in else condition, I will check two more things. So if my low is not valid, then in this case I only have to move low to low plus plus. Here if my high is not valid, then I have to do high minus minus. I'll improve the indentation. This is my if condition, and then else. Okay, I'll probably write down the curly braces. Okay, and in my else condition I will check like this. Okay, so this is pretty much done. Let me try to run the code. It says it is expecting. Okay, is valid expected at line number 16. hmm. Is dot get. So okay, so I need one more braces here. Similarly, one more braces here. Try to run this code. Okay, no suitable method to lowercase. Okay, to lowercase method, it says it's not available. Let us check character to lowercase. So we'll see whether to lowercase is there or not. It's character dot to lowercase. It's there, but what's wrong? To lowercase says no suitable method found to lowercase. Okay, my bad. Put one braces here. Okay, try to run this code. It says illegal start of expression. Okay, we'll just validate whether these two things are equal or not. Okay, one braces is extra. Okay, so this answer is accepted. Let me try to submit this problem. Okay, it got accepted, and if I see the runtime, it is 4 milliseconds. So you guys can also try it out. Thank you.